There is a Bodhisattva who appears anywhere in any form to share the Dharma. In the distant past, Bodhisattva Wonderful Sound made offerings of music for many 10 years. Cloud Thunder Sound King Buddha, and even offered a precious jeweled bowl. From this merit, he was reborn in the land of pure flower stalking wisdom. Buddha, possessing miraculous powers to save beings. He manifests as Brahma, Ekra, kings, ministers, laymen, laywomen, monks, nuns, even as those suffering in hells or hungry realms, teaching the Lotus Sutra in forms suited to each. His wisdom shines upon the world, reaching hearts in ways each can understand. Bodhisattva Wonderful Sound never remains in one place. For everyone, everywhere, he brings the light of the Lotus Sutra. Subscribe and like our small acts of loving kindness.